Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, good morning. The radar showing what looks like some flurries, but most of the morning we've been looking for these and it hasn't really made it to the ground. Running into some dry air evaporating. We may see a passing flurry or two. That really is the extent of it though this morning. The bigger story is just it's another cold morning. A lot of cloud cover out there. Clouds though by late morning into the early afternoon could start to break up. I'll show you that in just a minute. We're in the 20s to start off. The wind, though, starting to pick up again, and it makes it feel colder. We'll see wind chill values into the afternoon today, but not as cold as it was yesterday. Temperatures are going to climb into the 40s later on. That south wind will be responsible for surging our temperatures above freezing across the entire coverage area. But look what's happening back to the west. Another little narrow band of some precipitation. Snow on the northern extent of this, a little warmer to the south, and it's mixing with a little bit of rain as temperatures back west of us are above freezing. So let's go through the day here, break things down. Flurry is still possible at 10 o'clock, 29, jumping to 40 and partly cloudy at 1, mostly cloudy at 4. By the time we get into the evening, here comes that rain and snow, but you see temperatures still above freezing at 7, and then by 10, nearing freezing with a temperature of around 33 and snow. But again, temperatures crucial, okay? You saw that, 33. That would mean that obviously with things above freezing, that things would have a harder time to accumulate. We'll talk more about that in just a minute. So here comes the breaks in the cloud cover, but here come clouds quickly moving back in. We'll first start the precipitation this evening around 5 and 6 o'clock as some showers at first. Then it fills in and the rain may start to intensify. We see that rain start to change over to some snow as the evening and nighttime wear on. That band of precipitation moves out overnight into the wee hours of tomorrow morning, and it will be replaced with some scattered snow showers, kind of off and on throughout the day tomorrow as temperatures stay likely into the lower to middle 30s. Now, everyone wants to know how much snow could we be looking at with this system? Well, there's a lot of variables that are on the table that will help determine how much snow we see where we are. Air temperatures, ground temperatures, how long it takes to transition from rain to snow, the intensity of the precipitation. All of that is key here. It's not a clear-cut scenario at all. Anywhere from a coating to 2 inches of snow could get over 2 in some spots. Who has the best chance to see an inch or 2, maybe locally higher? Right here in central Kentucky. Lexington and surrounding areas have the best chance to maybe get a couple of inches, maybe a little bit more than that. But the longer it takes to transition from rain to snow, totals go down. Very, very tricky forecast. A lot of variables that I just went through determining the amount of snow that we see. Plus, with temperatures hovering 32, maybe above that. It may stay at 33 through the length of that snow. Yes, it can accumulate, especially on elevated surfaces, but the pavement may stay wet, but the intensity of the snow could also overcome the warmer pavement temperature. So you see the trickiness to that forecast. Regardless, tonight, snow's likely going to start falling. Some treacherous travel could start to happen deeper into the evening and night, and then into tomorrow it stays cold, but we could go above freezing tomorrow, so that helps out the road conditions. Sunday, we're looking at cold air. 20s again on Monday and Tuesday, lows by Tuesday morning in the single digits. Bottom line, stay close to the Fox 56 weather app and Fox 56 News through the rest of today as we get more and more data in before this starts to fall tonight.